Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! The best internet resources about how to build your own jerky smoker. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to build your own jerky smoker is www.wikihow.com. See the page titled How to Make Beef Jerky, 8 Steps, with pictures, WikiHow. This is the link. You can also try bbq.about.com, especially the page How to Make Jerky in Your Smoker, Barbecue and Grilling. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 2413684.r.msn.com. The web page Build Meat Smoker, Build Meat Smoker, search now. Here's the link.